Welcome to Tasting Wine with Andrea Jennifer. Happy holidays from my kitchen to yours. Today we're going to be reviewing a really special wine from one of our favorite wineries that we love to go to when we're in Napa Valley. It's none other than Silver Oak. Today we're going to be tasting a 2006 Cabernet Sauvignon, which is Peaking. And so today's an extra special afternoon where we decided to decant, well, my husband decanted it, a bottle of this particular wine. And I'd like to share with you my thoughts about it. And again, it's just my opinion. And I'll also read a little bit of the tasting notes and what we're supposed to smell and taste when we do taste this wine. And what I'm actually doing this afternoon is I've been baking gingerbread men. And so I've been frosting and baking, and now I'm going to be taking a break to have a glass of wine with you from none other than my kitchen. Now, a little bit of information about this glass of wine that I just poured from the decanter is it's a 2006 Napa Valley Cabernet. The 2006 Silver Oak Cabernet Sauvignon has a saturated, deep ruby color, as you can see. Check that out. Look at that. It's a 2006. Beautiful. If you could see that deep color, it's gorgeous. It's an earth-driven and savory wine with aromas of black pepper, soil, and a touch of blackberry and cherry. Oh, that is amazing. If you guys could just smell this 2006, it would knock your socks off. It smells, I definitely smell the black pepper. Usually I have a hard time detecting that, but this has a really rich aroma of that. And I do detect a lot of the fruit forward cherry and blackberry. So one thing about this is the entry has a sweet milk and chocolate-like structure, and a streak of acidity adds freshness that carries through all the way to the finish. Very true. There are some tart cherry and ripe fruit flavors on the mid palate, which I did detect, and espresso bean flavor and forgiving tannins name the finish of moderate length. So the one thing is decanting is not necessary for this particular wine because there is very light sediment. So you can basically enjoy this wine without decanting. You can just, pour it into your glass and enjoy this lovely wine. But we like to have a decanter because it just adds a little bit of extra ambiance to our wine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to detect the espresso bean flavors to see if I can, because I didn't detect that. Let me see what I can detect. It's mid palate. Let me try one more time. There you go. I did detect mid palate. This is a very lovely wine, and I do recommend this if you do have friends over. It is the holidays, so if you have people over for dinner, if you're serving some type of red meat, salad, even a pasta meal, this pairs so wonderfully. And if you like fish and you're not much of a meat eater, it would definitely pair wonderful with a rich salmon with maybe like some garlic butter on top and maybe a little bit of rice pilaf and some grilled veggies. That would be beautiful. So another thing that we want to talk about is the composition of this wine. So it's 81% Cabernet Sauvignon. It's 11% Merlot, 5% Cab Franc, and 3% Petit Verdot. And if you're curious about what the alcohol percentage is, it's 14.1%. So again, this wine is, you can find Silver Oak in most stores. Like you may even see it in your grocery store. I don't recommend buying Silver Oak from the grocery store because they do inflate the prices, especially right now. Everything is twice as much as expensive as it was last year. So what I would recommend is the one thing about, okay, so reset, the one thing about the 2006 Cabernet is you can't even find this at the store because you can only buy this particular year and younger at the winery. And so this is why this is such a special bottle, is it's just aged, it's beautiful, and I just had to share this moment with you, to my people that subscribe to my channel. And I am so pleased to have, you know, my channel grow, and I'm so pleased that you guys find my content enjoyable and you like it. And it's very simple. It's just me opening up my favorite bottles, letting you know if I do detect whatever the tasty notes say I'm supposed to detect and smell. And it's as simple as that. From my kitchen to yours, have a happy and very safe holiday. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate sharing these intimate moments from my kitchen. And again, if there's anything that you would like me to test and taste, I would definitely love to do that. So please let me know, comment below, and also let me know what you think about this particular wine. I mean, whether it's Silver Oak, whatever year you guys have or whatever you buy. I particularly just love Silver Oak, and so whatever year I do try, I love. So let me know what you think. And one more thing before I let you go, the price per bottle is, for a 750 milliliter bottle, it's $1.95. It's a little pricey, but again, worth it if you're having a special group of people over, people that actually maybe that understand wine and enjoy and are wine connoisseurs that would really get it. The 1.5 liter bottle is $490 and a 3 liter is $1,465. $1,465. I'll never be buying that bottle. But again, from my kitchen to yours, thank you for watching this video. Merry Christmas, and here's to tasting wine.